my people, Newbie back again, and I'm not going to tell you I'm going to get videos out faster, because when I say that, it just doesn't happen. It's been a long time. I'm sorry about that, but just other stuff, and I really haven't been spending a lot of time down here working on this, but I have accomplished a few things. Now, first of all, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, hit that little button in that. Never mind. Anyway, subscribe, like, share, all that stuff. Anyway, that's out of the way. So, what's happened since the last time? And it's been a couple weeks, I think. And wow, time flies when you're having fun, or sometimes when you're not. And so here's the thing. I've been working on the computer control of the turnouts, and by the way, I may venture into computer control of block sections, and maybe even try doing some automated train running. I don't know, but the more I fiddle with that JMRI software, the more I see what it's really capable of, and I'm going to play with it, that's for sure. But what's been happening here in the last couple weeks is, I got a bunch of turnouts, and I want to control all the turnouts in the JMRI software, in the computer software. I showed you that a couple videos ago. Maybe I'll insert a picture here of what I'm trying to accomplish. But anyway, I've been working on that, and I thought, you have to program this. I'm using an Arduino, as I said before, and you have to program it in C++. And so right now, all I'm working on is I've got two types of turnouts, as you know. I've got the Kato types and then the Atlas snap switch types. And I want to control both those types of turnouts in the Arduino with the software. And so I've decided I'm going to use what's called MOSFETs, to those of you that are electronic literate people, which I understand that too, that a lot of people are not. And even though that's pretty much my background, I'm learning that I'm not as literate in as I used to be. Things change fast in that industry. Wow. But anyway, so what I've been working on, and I'm rambling, I know. What I've been working on is trying to get the computer program, and I thought surely somebody has done this, and I could just borrow their software, their programming to program this Arduino. But in searching and searching and searching, I never found exactly what I'm looking for, so I'm writing code. I was trying to avoid that, but sometimes you just have to bite the bullet and do it. So I'm writing the code for this. I've got 30 some turnouts. I don't remember the exact number right now, but anyway, and by the way, it's two separate functions per turnout. It's trip and it's throw and return to normal, and so it takes two MOSFETs to do that. And once I get it all designed, and I'll show you how I'm doing it. But I think I can make it work. I just haven't yet, and that's what I've been fiddling with. And so anyway, neither here nor there. That's really what I've been spending most of my time on. I haven't been spending a lot of time here in the train room. I just noticed that the camera wasn't recording, and I don't know how long it hasn't been recording. It was recording when I started talking, I know, but anyway. So this may be some kind of a jumbled, well, it's already jumbled, come on people. Anyway, so that's what I've been doing. But also, since the last video, I showed you the stuff that I've gotten from my buddy Joe after his passing. And one of the things that I was really excited about in that was the Great Northern Empire Builder passenger car set. A lot of cars there. And so one of the things is, this is the engine that Joe had with the Great Northern engine, and it's DC, not DCC. And so I was thinking about, trying to put a DCC controller in here. Excuse me. Sorry. Do some editing here, maybe. But anyway, so I was really excited about all those Great Northern passenger cars, and I wanted to use them. And I thought, well, I'll see if I can find a DCC controller for this engine to use those passenger cars. Well, lo and behold, I was on that auction website, and I found this. And what this is it's a 4-unit ABBA in Great Northern paint scheme. And I thought, that's going to be way more expensive than, because these are all DCC. And hold on. Oh, whoop, whoop. Wow. And there is sound. And but anyway, I thought this was going to be way more expensive than I could afford. But I placed a bid, and I won it. Wow. For a mere pittance of what I think it's really worth. And they work fine, and everything's great. But you see, now I've got, let's see, 2, 4, 6. I got 8 passenger cars, a baggage car, and 7 passenger cars hooked up behind it, and it works. It runs great. It makes my grade very easily, and there's no issues there at all. But I'm having problems with uncoupling. That's why it's not running right now, because I've been fiddling with it this morning, trying to, make complete loops. So I wanted to just let it run so it would run behind me while I was talking, but I have not been successful in doing that. So that's why it's just sitting here now. But it's pretty to look at, don't you think? Wow. Yeah. But anyways, so that's what's going on. That's pretty much about it. It's been so long since I've been down here. I really need to do a thorough track cleaning and work on couplers and rolling stock stuff and all that. But I haven't forgotten you. Don't worry about that. I'm still here. I'm still fiddling with stuff. It's just I haven't done videos, and I'm sorry about that. But thanks for watching, and join in next time when we'll see what's going to happen.